Safety Authority. Ade Akye Abia car your friend Voxy na enya car was say and then I'm ya kwan so bio. And recently it has been in the news for some time. For some time now. Kakra bia na akwa what is say nya accident. Yes, yo. Kakra bia na nya accident. And na ye nyina worried. Say Ade na yentimi regulate sa cars because a rampant accident enya pa no na hadwin. We are all worried. They said na same car bi ba so because they under a company name in person meboso. Na sa car na buy no within a part with a particular company wa mo bebre da munim. That enya accident pa. Obeti yasi enya accident. Bi kura friend bonsama lupre. Edi enya de fans enya okroma de bebre. Edi de man de bebre. E man dia. Enti edru babia. Na sa kan kura akofra na ankofo em hihie say na car be na akofree, na car be na akofree. But do you know say as it stands now up to now, sa car na so system nim. Me don't can say that company is still running, but said you need Dino accident cases no. Omu kasa yom imagine say one kasa company because it's under a company no. They were able to regulate it to certain level. I can every week ground to say ebi akwa kwoshe no e ma ni jai. Na me kan sem bi ache. Menem so amanfo ani nye but me say asem ba on. Yen tackled from a comprehensive perspective. Yaman a comprehensive approach. Na entiase me and one of the person I make say so I vox in the way see nyan kwanhia aya na etna kan say ebe ya sa aka no mumpe bibi mfanye. But I'm not happy the way National Road Safety Authority handle no. I'm not happy with it. Per the act, I give birth to National Road Safety Authority. They are doing a good job. Lawyer Amale Baba, we've seen one or two more added to it. But no question pie woman say. I disagree with a quite of the vox in a fashion. Though there was a committee. Papa Bakwa Kroma de Yejini Dipa is a very learned police officer. Or no Odu Ghana police officer. Or in charge of research, training, and all that. In fact, why you man chair? And your man is our position, di brother and yajepa. Or when you can committee, no. But I don't know. Said Driver and Vehicle License Authority, or representative, no. Sa board needs to be there, I don't know. But the National Road Safety Authority for air catches is saying, say, Divya le phone majuma. The NRSA catches say Divya Ghana Driver Vehicle License Authority. Omuni majuma. Right, answer car beba yebe license no. Na yaman commercial plate say nye adwuma no. It goes through a lot of things and yama bebre ansana. Ya license se car no kra ansana. Yaman plate say be commercial car. Na the definition of say car ya commercial no. without any ambiguity no a omo de ato so say car no yebetimi aye private na wom yetimi an commercial no omo goofy na commercial car technical word edu ko DVL you make sure say ayi bia babia ka bia babia be commercialize no 10,000 plus 10,001 plus to 26,001 plus. So it has to be the weight has to be within that range, 10,001 plus to 26,001 plus. So I buy them busa say Vox Toyota for me call Toyota Foresight. Omo ye Voxy, Toyota Voxy and Toyota Noah. But you have Voxy in there common pa. Ni nyina say Voxy and the Noah it look like almost the same. And even the current Voxy no crown say go free China eba. And this a catch me say bia cars no omo argument back when say eba a left right you also didn't buy left na omo exchange steer no no mu nye ni ye and that can also contribute to accident because from na the control no omo anye ni na there's no balance na you can have problem with that. But DVL4 have a system unless say National Road Safety put to the repute of a DVLA into question say omunyo madwuma ye because ansa car yama license register na also car ne ba no mo assessment they say kro be private companies omo assessment they has to go through and yama DVLA4 specs ansa na ba bonting and this voice na ye kan ho asem the specs ni the most current Voxy a 2.0 liters and a petrol CVT and a 1.8 liter hybrid versions and so two nini na sa petrol CVT 7184 nina technical is a metro say me cheche bim engine and performance of Voxy nini. Engine of a Voxy 2.0 liter petrol 4-cylinder 16 valves DOHC displacement of 1986 cc the power 168 horsepower at 6,600 rpm the torque 202 Nm at 4,900 rpm. Fuel system near EFI. Emission Euro 4. Top speed 180 km per hour. What is it? 784 E560. Now the transmission and drivetrain any. The transmission a variable speed CVT. Drive type near 2WD. And AWD and they are available currently. Gearbox near 6-speed CVT. Gearbox in a 6-speed CVT. And the argument to me say enko long distance no. It's na me mass aspects way. The argument has fallen flat. Talk as enko long distance. Enya no kre. The National Road Safety can omubua. Per the specs and DVLA4 and call the yejira so the qualify car no mamu fa hu nche ni pe timi ko long journey. Me say there's one thing ekoso a eyense hu na was ye bra driver for no enye car no the car has no problem a driver for no esuni on ban di twi car no and omo say ye ke 22 quantum a be bantam. Madika Kacho say the argument on say car no ya anya for commercial no ene sa na tia se sa na tia dia ene sprinter enam kwan so ye den for transit enam kwan so ye den. I'm building the point. Anomka say enko long journey no make the specs of the car actually say this is the specs of Vox, you know, the 2.0 liter and the 1.8. They know what I'm saying. Dimensions a woman here. The length here 4,685 millimeters. The width here 1,730 millimeters. The height here 1,855 millimeters. The wheelbase here 2,850 millimeters. Ground clearance here 150 mm. Fuel tank here 52 liters. Seating here 7 seats, 5 doors, 7,184. And the driver side, the driver passenger, there's one door here, there's another door here, and there's the boot exits. The suspensions and brake, front suspension, a McPherson strut, rear suspension, a torsion beam, front and rear brakes, a ventilated discs, 7,184. Obi onim kem bien masma making. Na mria me chechem kakra mo ate ase wa unim kem. Ni hwi and tie. Ene ma ye digina so bua kai ni on. The past ni hwi and tie 17-inch alloy. The tie size is 205/55 R17 rim 17. Radar is 7,184. What it? Ni steering power no cra power steering, rack and pinion. Adjustable steering column. Yes, 7,184. And your ma DVL for jina su new. And your ma DVL what tin ma nyani nyina free DVL and then menya bin so free Toyota for no. So the argument National Road Safety Authority they ban. It doesn't hold water to me. It doesn't hold water for me. Because se person regulated car na yan regulated drivers no. A negligence and near man driver for ne because obi on ma no twi bus or twi mini bus enti obeso Vox ni ma okwa Accra Kumasi okwa Accra Sunwan okwa Accra Yeji Temali and all that obeso ken mo obeso tis a car mo head to conquest speed. So to me the problem is not the car, and the car is enya dia some cars enya for long distance abusuane dia ntirem no mko won and them ban the car not outright. They should ban the car outright. We should be fair to people. We should be very fair to people. I don't pay my master mbeka de ode ba me catch us mbeka de wom say and some National Road Safety Authority come say anything to go by and then DVL for DU our man na DVL as an authority no omo boy kwaniam sebia so na DVL for register car na road safety for be catch as a car na nye car was it too quiet na DVL for what's wrong with them. And again at the time bomb so assembly can yasem ketwa de didi agros anu say DVL for with all these sophisticated machines ehwe car ni ade no ebe register car na car no say car ni nye car e was ya register me adi to kwan a any DVL for ade na ekoso masa ade na ekoso no ma it's not a joke. Kwame Nkwantabisa is not a joke. And you never know where you go to DVL for ye because the road safety for the catcher say my bon car now more register and ni say for kwan so. Do you guys think it's a joke? And the guarantee bag and I trust bag na me wo our car DVL for driving vehicle license authority. They are an authority on their own me wo say on back at say car we e safe. Esa Ghana car ye titim ne de ye nya ni da so o mo me we ni ye. The institution is failing us. Savage in your car, I was a 2 coin a call long journey. According to the argument, a can say 2 coin, a care any say call long journey, a can say a commercial, a care no me read specs way na. The specs na me reading me meeting a DVL for standard, and then total for me come ho and you me who you don't know. Now these are the specs of the car. Now DVL for say within that range, you know, or you within into your lines is a car, and I say line national road safety for the catch me say DVL for bois car no mujira so lines say no or mu boy you contompo e na braba samua anye ya wuwu ne na mo already. Then DVL is doing us a lazy work power. Rubik, I was back as well. Yeah, Mrs. Rubik. Is it Farouk? Charlie? Pa. And child crati as having the money I'm is no TBA. And child cran I'm covered DVL 4 by. And a DVL 4 catch me say. Even Vox for now, my register car now, or my register in private, no number plate in your white, no. Dia kosi scaler or mu loading, no. Illegal. And you also can be a basic scale a loading. It means it is commercial car. And what's a car no enya a number plate a yellow. Kevin found number plate yellow and white in between pebitoso. The difference, you know, a white, a private, a yellow, a commercial. And two bedna scale, now Vox, you know, or plate a white. What it means, and say, or cano, and say jna scale, yeah, and the DVL for class, omni MTT, for Bequa, could sweep they will soup all of them out of the system. Then they have catch me say, DVL exercise number and create bogus. Because national road safety for quarters, no. Omo say car no, and your car crank go say right a gun handum say or baba commercial car. And you think it's a joke, eh? In life, our safety is questionable. Our safety is questionable. What? Our safety is questionable. And if you want to run your emotions be ready with moi. No kwase me woman say emboyen. Say the emotions ne be ready with moi ya pa dia. Me catch him playing your play for say emboyen. If you have to go with emotions sir, and you are not adofo. Can my me for a DV4 the any mum. Ya the emotions ankasa na ebe we dia. Emboa ye na emboa ye china. Me concern say the DVL for aje car na tum. Na national road safety say car no DVL gi no mugi tum na enya dia ene ye wunye wo man. Because I can't have an institution omunyina eye stakeholders. Now we have a catch them say, oh, ya to me meet standard. Car ne beti mako baby. Road safety for aba no ma be catch say car no obwa enti mi meet standard. Car no baby e no enye. No muso abe kan sema. Then which is which? Best of the same feathers confuse the owner. Maybe another story so I don't pay. But worry. Kwame I don't pay much.
Obeni mejo so.
Empom to say.
Oba the other roba or the acheme ahode wo ho. Me ba so na onso e.
Oba the adom me so me ho ye pa.
Yeah, that twedi ampo nyankopon na se papa.
I don't pay my intio.
Obeni ma me na se anopa yi na ye nche ya tifo ahefo na fe so ye no ma se omo kasa fojiri ni omo kasa fidie da ye Sompa TV Sompa FM. Ombetumi ajoin your Facebook and so yane YouTube na fi so yene omodi nkomo Kwame sa voxika yi nkomo ya pagya yi nkomo a ehia ye nyina ehia Ghana ni bia so ye Ghana ni nko de ehia even Kwame say wo wankasa wo ka akura ehia because dako onnim de beto car no anase de ebesi a eho beba hia se okofa car foforo na ebi at that particular time no be a voxi yinzu na available because of the agency attached to wo wa na montu na wa contour na wo ba beko no nti na was a opt for a year voxi kai na san komo ye body by the Free National Road Safety Authority na wo mo chiremu say nya fit for purpose say commercializing na ye de ba kwan so a they be me bisa me who say these institutions, you know, do they work hand in hand? Ya wo din komo. Ya wo mo ebrifu wo mo ho. E me yehunu say okay adwuma no enyo baakofo na eye. Nipa mienu na eye. That a cohesion no eye adwuma existe and I say na si etie. Because per the afri DVLA you can say National Road Safety aso e de aba. And in common so free DVLA aso ye herbal. It means say safo mienu yi woman nin komo safo mienu yi enkita hudie bia nhyeda enkoso between the two of them because answer na car ye be atum say eye fit for purpose ebetumi afa Ghana ekwan so no it must go through a DVLA womo aye system ahodo nyina mu na yehu qualify na say car no ebetumi afa ekwan so e wo say yehunu say sa car no
baba me ne Dr. Samuel Kofo gadem okay all right mamini kaine era Francis no motete or National PRO ma Garages Association of Ghana PRO do pe ma che
meju femina na what to say
oba dia dom na so ni abusia na what to say
yes you mo ye papa
good Wanaruma National Road Safety Authority yina edim djuma omudie na enkomoko ba ye de ye che ya adwen as lay people ma ye djuma ya che over years muna mo experience but amobua ye na mo throw more light on it the decision National Road Safety Authority diaba on Voxi car say entimi nye commercial car enan say whatever reason omunim say manufacturer say a family car and all that. So same way only NRSA for yarding.
Minya mamicha obiom na afi mecha yeke for na the kwa 7 years said the okaye no Ghana National Association of Garages Osha yeke over 42 years ago into no na say e baka ho adwuma ya che wo papa na nukwasemo a ewo woni se o share Toyota cars na aka oka ta yebeka se the brand ne eye papa aka Toyota eka ho bi ana edimu akontini pa na mo nukwasemo a wo woni se car bia no manufacturers no omo wo senti a yaye car no ene ejuma obetumi edi car no aye eno ti o share Toyota box ya ye kan wasani ya eye car ehun ofe utemu a ibia okay a very luxurious car na mum manufacturer na aka say enye car ye di ye commercial family car na etosu mienu cars na ye di ye commercial wa hanu near from home no left hand drive na say ye maimo hanu left hand drive na ye nyina ye use na say usi car from right to left na ninia Nyama bebre ewo ho a ewo se wo consider ni di kan suspensions na ewo car na ase no obroni ne ye ne car no oni car no omudwo etesei the side say wait na wo say enye say na ni nyina e balance se wo o se sa go no from right steering wheel no from the right to left now afoi o the position bibia enti car and kasa weight balance no kra no na say abaye problem eno ti no kwasem ni ye fi e beka ne yi pa meka say ye ni safety authority for e be adwen say be you so Toyota bought no for commercial purpose there ye nyina ye nim na say accident ahodo a e dey by nanso ye ni di ni say wo mo kan say untuni nyesu kra but the na manufacturers make no ubetumi yusu no e wo enye long journey bi a wo dey call mom say de ye wo Accra Kumasi Takoradi Tamale big cities no na wo dey here within the city na no me good say road safety for embandi enti ni from baby no ye ni road safety e dey adwen
na mami Musa say car no said your boss said na saying accident is a worry to all of us car no na ma accident ba and I say drivers no
menya the car road accident you nyina jitum say nyama bebre na ekambom ekwan na car no faso car na nkasa nipa na oka car no even pedestrian any so many things the big cry ya police so come fast cars ni bi curve mo anybody bebre nyama bebre na de ba na bo we ni de we nyina ye bitime de one dance say na second here right hand drive na yes some abale na nya ye kan so no any manufacturer no na ma permission say ye ma qualify the licensed people aye na mo individual bi o she ne baby na ono de na adwene eye so mitimi sisa ti ana eba ne so na ayeye enu ti se de na me di kan kan ye no mo se ta no obroni ye kan no omu se kan we ne weight na bia wo ne weight e kra no enu ti o sisa ta ni me wo kan no ho no kan hu no se o sisa kan ne bi bia enti suspensions e sharp ye won se ye wo long sharp de bia e se and a short one be here no to che se o sisa here no from right to left no are you changing the position of the shaft any you can say short any the lower arm other suspensions I think there and yetimi kan ye pa that can say in fact clearing now yes system from right to left no and also can be and Africa na katamia to class enemy can edani papa and no who driver over free so a normal vehicle ye crazy na onam kwanse na tete won se driver phone se the car no go speed ebinumo na ye won de pa na tete o tia so saa and the baby body a ubebo brake no and na say wait na after anything ubo brake na and to make it the original one na ne steering no e won let home no won say no na stability no aye okay. But when the son say African steering in go one man unnecessary weight about the car and only from baby crano when Lucy and her weight no I'm a weight now for that one side and the open break in this and you like he say one side never see na other side no so and you never won't know na car no as some of to another and up from and when I make you say a bit accident in the no ever
na se DVL fo almost so to me so mo eje car tum ene yo ma line se car yama e dia wu bebre it took the intervention of National Road Safety for don beka say car no enye ma say de beko akwan so a ene no mai are we safe
Ninya about DVL ya mo kwa se ni to make kan bebre because ye nyina ye nim say aka ne pepe mo se de wo kan ansa na DVL be ti sa aka na so no empo e wo mo asihie mo se e wo se manufacturer no plan no emma permission ansa na what you na your alteration bi e wo ka bia ho then na wo be say do they have the manufacturer's permission you can say say steering no from right to left based on that antenna DVL emma license and air license card no and then the emergency say mo bopin DVL for na kasa na mo de tawo but ye be frɛ sanse ni na ye tiwanu for na ye pese accident ahudu a ACC wo ya fans no e be ba for into no ye be frɛ DVL for say anka wo mo nya yadom na se car bi sa e ba oman no mu a wo mo bua ma yan funu details no na yan hwe say ibi bia wo say di gu akomo ansa na ye ma kwan maka na ti na ye commercial business wo Ghana ano wo mo follow pepepe ko to mi no mo frɛ ọmọ ẹ̀pẹ̀ni ẹni yẹ̀pẹ̀ ní fún àwọn ẹ̀mú sẹ̀ fẹ́ ankẹ́bẹ̀ tù mí à Ghana National Association of Garages yẹ jùmọ̀ yẹ sẹ́bi obi akosua dọ́kítà ẹ̀dùnmá obi akosua teaching ọ̀kyerẹ́ adìẹ lawyer wakọ lawyer school ọ̀yẹ yẹn nso yẹ jùmọ̀ yẹ akosua yẹ automobile artisan yẹ fitting mechanic welding paying electrician ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wọn ẹni tí sẹ yẹ kọfà yẹ kraka ẹbà ọmọ yìí mu a onua akane pẹpẹ mu no yẹn kọ sọtú yẹn náà yẹ wọ fraud no nìkan mi sọ sẹ mi Francis ana any member of Garages ẹkọ outside sẹ yẹ kraka bi sẹ ẹbà ọmọ yìí mu a there is no way we go for this car sẹ yẹ ti bá bẹ yẹ commercial yìí car wọ Ghana because ẹ nyina enim sẹ ẹnyẹ adi a ẹbẹ bua nanso pẹmpì ní ẹyẹ hu ni sẹ ní yẹ kàn DVL wọn a wọn hyẹ ma yẹyẹ fẹ ẹgyina wọbẹ kọmukọmu no obi a wakọ ne school gbogbo wọn bọ na bọ ní ẹyẹ degree ni wei náà yẹ akọma meanwhile yẹ ka practical ẹdwuma nankasa sẹ ọyẹ ẹdwuma no practical náà onim ẹdwuma no lẹmọ nam sẹ wakọsua wọ book mu nti no na ọsa ẹyẹ ẹdikre ní ayafa no and the problem kẹsí a yẹ fẹsi wọ ọman mu ni sẹ let us use the right people for the right job and I believe sẹ yẹ ne saa Ghana National Association of Garages yẹ bie yàtọ̀ ẹ̀mú sẹ́ obi biara ọ̀bẹ́tù ní sáà fẹ́ yẹn we are ever ready sẹ́yìn mú ọbẹ̀ yẹ ètùmọ̀ nná káàsà yẹ di bá ọ̀man yẹn mu ní ẹ̀yẹ government o private o yẹn ma Garages nípa di ẹnka ho sẹ́dẹ̀ bẹ́ yà á yẹ bẹ́ tún wá àkàrà fún àpapà na sẹ́ bá ọ̀man yẹn mu a àmà bẹ́yẹ wait àmà bẹ́yẹ fìdí a ẹ bá bẹ́ kúnkùn yẹ kọ̀fọ̀ wọ́n yẹ accident dodo a èyí sá ẹ̀yẹ bọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀dí bá ẹ̀ hà dín na ní nyina ní sẹ́ yẹn kọ́nsọ́tò Garages ansana yẹ kaka se ẹba ẹnti kaka mẹka no DVL for no they should sit up na wọn hear say they will use the right people for the right job na since no car ne ba wọn ne manufacturers no ọmọ follow no ọmọ nhwẹ yẹ commercial car indeed ansana wọn mọ kwan ama yẹ de ayẹ commercial business in Ghana here.
Francis asa abẹkọ there is an argument all town me kura me can be say car bi ti sẹ sprinter say. So if you pay a cargo car, as you buy, me a commercialized.
Minia, you okay? No, me kai pass somewhere 2007 or so. There was issue about 207 and a 273 Honda. Then some back to say a buyer. Bani ni mu ko mu pa said okay a cargo car. And your car, you do so funny, not a different time. Not the one or more seat. Ewo car no mo anka tampo no another issue. Utina car dey mu amada. Pese die ne ho a ukotoje ene seat mo ewo we nim no. Enti the impact kakra bi ba. Okay, the likelihood say nipa the bracket say another nipa no be wu no very high.
Seat no kura na dey no kunkun kofo kura.
Me can be a ye kito na ye the boat ne not mo. Tighten and look at the blue one. Plate in a woman. And yet, in Santa, man, can, near for that paper, pinty. Or more, and you shoot up plate, I'll bet you may at tighten a you say no. And it's a kind of bob break deep. Not the area will be crossing no bob breaker. You sit in to me too. Not this one a woman, now, Marco, class. And to me, a your problem for see, I begin to say, and can do what. And so say your back to the home. Na mo nhwe penyefo na wo mo hwe DVL road safety any ministry of transport yin nyina ne Garages bank ye nhia na ye hwe ne ye pebu wo man no from mo ma ye kose na ya nhwe a ye transport sector no ye ba car transportation no ana vehicle transportation no ya nhwe dakro so na police for road safety for ye number of accident ne pa for move ne we ne tuya Ubi discussion in Nipa and na issue of Munkwansa. Can't we do something about it? And to me, I'm new yard in Papa. Interbuses no, the question the anchor and near commercial vehicle. Now, I'm put the better commercial. And what say a buying the Yantin. My yens are say, ya regulatory, ye members in a you know who ye not say, and ya don't say to Mr. Bo. Sit I yellow camel and we're certain distance. Sit on the height, and what the height I was there. Middle. So the bear utrafia or better. Now, baby, I will convert him up. Nina or more fine, who is enforcing it. and because we are not using the right people for the right job meeting, I say nobody cares.
All right. Rise out of pay ma yani ahwe for near T4 na sibebre.
Mesome da se papa. Ma me pass out question na me share me penny na me store say anoto otie me his excellency odene ho na upon very man. Ono ne your national president garage. Ene your regional zone, ene district executive na. So parto me yamase. Me share me ejuma pa mo ye.
Mo so ni ejuma pa. Era Francis no more tete ana National PR Garage Association of Ghana and when it comes to practicals na omo ankasa ana ewo nimdia wo practicals no anope wo church enwom fikọ said there was a niema esi eye enso ewo ho ede amayen na as I was saying me say Saturday we are by a test case my own. Expose the system. And I'm a say 1. The National Road Safety Authority should be bold enough to tell us a DVL for a goofy by giving licenses to a casino. So Munsi Montini. So Shaka na any specs are me ready chair wa. Can etimi to kwan etimi ko long journey etimi fa ni past 7 and 8 but the other side ne say sa car no the way omu see use no that is not the usage speed omu ko na bia me ne kwa me yetu kwan a utim so ba be sa on hwem to sounds ay speed akai ko pa enti sabi car na nkasa de any problem. But the usage I have problem with. It is here to be used the Driver and Vehicle License Authority, Road Safety Authority, so authority say you be bandino. But they shouldn't attack the car. They should attack the usage of the car. Because already DVL from more car no specs in the MTBBR, but the usage itself no, and there be a road safety in their wisdom. I only say. And you see a use for that purpose. It doesn't mean a card. Now, Kwame Nkwantabisa I am the church. Say born beba form. Families in Benya Biato. Because okay, back Kwame na born in this all of a sudden they born shooting
because of the commercialization.
A born in nani. A born shooting. I buy card and born for. I think on the question them 2 billion actually. Taba se kura twofu am na tonkwam nyina kwa akodi abisi oda your family ada family be piem na o mai gunchen wife gunchen na say kama pa but the truth of the matter say I don't want people to say car no enye car ye di to kwan. That is not true any they mean tias and tiachina because the specs that we have with DVLA and the manufacturer no the car can travel. The car can do everything a normal car BI. But the usage I de be commercializing and say bia e ko yeji e ko ha because e ko certain kilometers kra and this is a return e was engine jo but the do scale ni pegu no asafa no return and the jump wom Kwame, I was with you na me kwa
openi sa nkomo wi akopija abana e nkomo e wo se a drum penny for him, Nampini Fortuna Sene, Dihon Comocasia Panya Tiasia, at the Fasa Voxica, because Kwame, just like a garages for Mopini air cannon. Kwame can't be a hoya on a purpose. The yes, a car we as for commercial purpose, we air for family, we air for C, near Chere. But then, no the before no the here na say I don't know what no money to na ko bibia bi to me the yemani ye forgetting the consequences and the reason behind your much say we air for private use we air for commercial use now na me wo with DVLA ne road safety. The question now is DVLA for say omo ba be license car. Yeah, do they do background checks about car na kakra na? say be a car we are balance see the manufacturer no ye we or your car no purposely for A B C D and you car na ye license the amount on say ukwa use as private based on say ukwa use say and sana ya mouse license no now what to me the car na kwa see Ghana coin so ana. So Kwame, you see where the question now is coming from. Answer na see about money panel license and I be line because your bell license say car no and sana your license ni panel. The answer na your bell license say car no. Yeah a bit of search kakra who say car we say license say the amount who here say plate we plate a commercial plate a private plate a say ya the kofaka go na send it here and now what would you say car no nya ba be piemu o maso ye dia o ba be license no come out de be bro mo no eno no mu gina so dia license car no dia maw it is a articulated car and now de ba Kwame says a car no so ba be o de ba be private car ni engine no mo gina so no mo dia ye dia maw na send the city your institutions no Kwame just like you rightfully said womo a dear hammer and it is high and hard time I was say we tackle these institutions to be on their feet no more nye adwuma no said ye peno because Barack Obama ba ye memo hadum the obeka no or say institutions no ye momo eye adwuma eno ne ye behu say ye system no eye adwuma we say I ne tackle institutions no say womo and womo edi ehwamo institutions no say womo and womo failure institutions no say eyomo asede senka womo ye thorough investigation about a niema bi ansa no mo de ababontia Kwame Nkwantabisa ye nim. It took the work of National Road Safety say womo ne be babonti even kromo kramo babonti kromo ansheda anchire en detailedly kopim say Kwame anopai ye expanding komono near the garages for abamu ansa ne ehunu say netie kopim say Kwame ye more investigations about near money research just like you did on sprinter cars anka eno kra so mo wo ze no sukra o man touch on. They just touched on Voxy because it causes lots of accidents these days. It's taking lots of lives. What about the other cars and so on? And you're allowed to send you commercializing and so a NAM system no more. So, and before no institutions, the president, DVLA, National Road Safety for Transport Ministry. You have something to do. Say nyanya isika Kwame and I'm say system no more dinti ye kwa call import no man dey ba ban to me kan we because on to me provide adwuma kra mfa mai because system na nkasa kra so nye enti so onya hunu say we ana di sika be ba system no mo be matime mfo ho ahin o ma no waje mu na ekọ ne chese funtum frams na ekọ sa and I think say ebraso because who changes still no Ade free left akọ right Ade free right Ade akọ left no bisa ho say the consequence be dey achire no can you bear or mind be to me akuta ti say dey papa yi chire mu say wo sesa the bad left and how the call right could do ba bi na wo bob break na a part of it but a part of it so air force no say be movie. Yes, I thorough search about some of these things and sana ya making some decisions say quite we near the and you may be fast one saying the city ye nye area is okay anya tom no dey na tisa tom anya tom no dey I be fa dey na tisa fa anya fa na Ghana for to be say near to agu so na ne ekoi because Kwame Voxy car no kwasem ne say e co speed papa e dwane ankasa na se wuti bi mu pa na se driver ni no so e obi a ne nemu ye de Kwame wuti mu ana e wo ne onyankopon pai bonko a Ewurade fa yekoduro Ewurade fa yekoduro drivers ne bi nso ho wo ka kire mo so ko speed dodo no Kwame on we asem wo be ka kire wo no and I know say passengers dodo na e face sa na we passengers no to na face sa na we but why na okwa ka kire no na nipa na okwa ka kire no nso no emuaye papa ben ne solution ben e no ope e de amaye eno nso na akwa ya asem sebe eno nso akwa ya asem foforo. So I think say if it in neko it should be a conversation ye shase se ye bedini abie mu anya ntiase based on the ababetom bontinsu eno na da bia America no yakwa ye oman a yakandifo ne empenifo this asem wasi ansana ya solution emergency tankers say vox yan konso accident bebrebe vox yi amfa wo yeneni o how amra busuafo bebrebe a kasanko moyin kampeja o kasanko moyin giyenni kasanko moyin se ka no kra se ni ye no kasanko moyin se kasa hodo bi wo ho ye ne se kwan we ni emfa so enchi no anopa yen se obi adwuma but yen nyina ye yie yo we should do that na yen hwese sankomo no ebeko se de asipia Kwame mame fanchiri wona me nkoke no foriata kakrabi eno a mate se wanya bill ewo ye ice fo nsemu a woko but ye mfantu ye tirimu se bill no achiri no sureties e kan ho ganganto sureties bi kan ho omode aka ho ama no omo sanso a confiscate ne passport there no so ewo ne nchen and he is under the court jurisdiction pending hearing on the 27th of April 2026. And this brings me to the question, say, how are we tackling corruption in this country? Corruption no in Ghana no kwan be ne faso tackle no kwan be ne faso akoni atu ase akwakoye say corruption in Ghana here is surviving because one enya ba ya bebo su twe ne abodin we ne akase we na ye involve sa ewi na kwako dadin no punishment nothing absolutely nothing ene di akira ye be hu ye hu se ye di obi akwako gina mranim ye hu se ye de ne ko mranim no ye so ntua sika dodo sei ye hu se nipa no ye de ne ko gina mranim no sefata se ye de ne kokotum ye ntenesa. So it looks like we are encouraging corruption in this our side of the region and in this our country. Say nipa ne ko bokro no na nipa no ko fa kwan bi so na Ghana sika ko kam na Ghana sika ko share asoche bia entumi enkoso. And corruption has become a culture in this our system rather than becoming an enemy. Corruption in Ghana here has become a culture rather than becoming an enemy. And we are not fighting it. We are not doing anything to show, say, corruption, harmful, corruption, so corruption, yempe, kataso, momuaso, jekakasha on, I mean, so minya binye. Kwame ye wo PPA for Public Procurement Authority or more or mudi juma. Kwaya hodo ne amanfo procurement fefa nsem ne nasefo eba ne de adane NPP ne NDC sem saa instead of questioning PPA for say this contract now womo eye no sole sourcing no na esefata so womo ye no sole sourcing ye de omo ye subject omo into obi be say strict scrutiny ne a question sa PPA for ne ye bisi omo ame ate ase say the reason behind the entia womo edi ma kwan ma sa sole sourcing no course no ne dien eye obi ena di ne tumi hurahura omo ana critically omo analyze no na esefata say we de ye no sole sourcing. We leave them and we leave the perpetrators. We leave them, then we turn it to be politics. We leave them and then we just converse over it. Kwame, your office of the special prosecutor existed. Ne juma wo ye ne die. Ne nkomo wo di ne die. Is he really functioning? Said ye di create no. Is he really functioning? Said they establish it no. The powers no so or the juma or the amount for family coins said they sefata. We have Auditor General too. We have parliamentary oversight. I mean, they say one moment to me, kuta omokradi esuchen to me bia, and they can summon any institution to do investigation for them, and they can summon any institution to appear before them and question them. Yehushi. Ye try report ahodoɔ ye press conferences ahodoɔ eti emu committee ahodoɔ on corruption cases, but still Kwame Nkwantabisa. So it means we've accepted and we have allowed corruption to be a culture than an enemy of the country. Enti eno na ekoso sisi because mentia say ene abutrika ye penatwe ni gidigidi de free ha ono na ye beka say bia wo ane otena ha menka say megitum say wafom ana say court of competence jurisdiction bia aka chem say wafom de, but I'm only saying say so wafom kra na wadi bone a otena Ghana ha ne di bone enti wo ba be extradite na free ha kro no kra no e wo se nkan no kra ye dene e de masa amrofo yi ade ne nkomo a metete ahodo a metete ye kopie court ane nkomo ahodo a ekokoso no enya encouraging. Kamia say we listen to the sound of Mrofuyi with speed than say yeni ankasa. Na nipa or no etna yeni ayaha. It's alleged so what di bone. It's alleged so what di esika yeni man semfata. It's alleged say we're making decisions bia akoso financial loss to the state. No what to me free ha akwa will be mine, so we are unable to make case establish a point to prove to this and Mrofo say oya yaba ofri ha ye man kwan no som ye he is accountable to or minor and nunti wasave where we want him to come and answer to some things or any decisions or make it into me yet into me yet minim na more ye to I say we are really willing and ready say Keno Foriata yadene bebo memoha. But if you go to our courts nina sefon komo ekoso na they are in speed to allow abutreka say yadene beko like ye nipa ben kwan ben kra na fa so dwene a na sane ye hu before say ye city a ye hu atamfo na say na city because I can hear say ye tan ye hu na ye do Mrofo no ndi Mrofo no de omo be ka ne de anamo bi o metu bia ye fi say no ye papa na enya me nwanwa kra say ye ni akra ye susu say Nyankopon ye bruni na bonsam ye bibini enya me nwanwa because it is the reason I feel say ye tan ye ho it is the reason I feel say ye ho no like we are unable to do some things for ourselves but we are in haste to do for these white people. Adintia emran wo hanom na enya din emunye duru anansa ye nimra no kwan ye befa so de adijuma. I'm asking simple questions. Emra na wo hanom na emunye duru enu nti entumi nimrofo no enti entumi compel mrofo no anansa yen na emra no yenti ase entumi interpret ni yie. Ema Mrofo no hunu say ye sovereign country ye mra no gina ne nan so ne gira brane. I just don't get it. I don't get it. Because corruption about be norm. Na Kwame enanu ya nano Public Accounts Committee na number served District Assembly. Enya me nwanwa say womo atumi ayi sika 60,000 e de aye deba. Receipt ba kokura ni wa ye betumi dey account for receipt ba kokura ni wa ye betumi dey akire say ani yetowe nti ababe ye normal ye di ye ho abro ye bo oman no kro no ye pe kwati kwan bi so dia pesike bia ye pe ne anya because ye nim say at the end of the day Ghana for ye nim omo say omo de be ye politics ye nim omo say Ghana for be ka say NDC ye say MPP ye say enti asotwe bia nkom be obia ye nim omo say Ghana for at the end of the day even the party in power kra no wona edi nkomo ye ba ko mienu miensa bia sika no ope kakra bi de mana ye be kata asem no so ye nim say Ghana for no party in power no ope kakra de money communicators kra ye be bra asem no so ni amasaje asem no na kwakoda din eno nti if you get power if you get position you can do anything with it and all
right but I say OCP Ghana Limited Ade Akye bom Lumba nyumbi wase Kwame Lumba dia bebom na onse emre bi atwa mu koto fertilizer na okoto in fertilizer no wa wunu pa because na die anie afi na hu sa wu ko sa wo baw na se di asem de abama no kwase me won pa ne se OCP Ghana Limited ade fertilizer sonko kra na aba enkoto ade ane bo ofo keke na medu dem afi obewe no aboka sonsurun kope value for money OCP for fertilizer ne bo ye value for money ebo no form so na product ne ye papa OCP fertilizer na ana abo yen ye dua vegetables any atoso de season ye wramu wan to fet papa ebe ha ubewie na wa boka se koso etimeso pe OCP fertilizer OCP Ghana Limited aye ni mo mu free tete no omu fertilizer na aba no ana eboa wo ye cereals ye atoso de vegetables unya OCB 15 fertilizer anase unya OCP 10 fertilizer ano anedu akaginamu mesrawo uye kuani ye ba bedua vegetables yi e mane me yesa na me na afidie ana me fudi ama ana nyoma nsokra copper fertilizer eye original eye authentic tese wodi bo asase na because of the nature it is no eboa manuaba no aye from eye OCP fertilizer me so OCP 15 no ma vegetables any cereals enya adwa nkruma tomatoes ne de keka ho no aropa bobode ane kope OCP fertilizer 2010 no kope bi eno for legumes ma mo ya legume no legume ahodo na mudua mesamo mo de mo hia OCP TSP legume for de mo hia OCP TSP na mo ya atoso de bi se vegetables dose nya adwa ne de keka ho ne de na say entos business ebe bumi pa edam de bokini ekoso tudua bia moka ko perfect papa OCP fertilizer bi na efa bonu na Ghana ha upe bia fertilizer na say shop bia ye ton fertilizer and agrochemicals bia ye papa bia obenya bi ato bo modern say obenya OCP Ghana for a product OCP fertilizer abedwa so yi na be won say you Nkwantabisa me ka kire o na fi amanfo shekikisa onso ashekibi se kasha baw nyame boa free dental screening kesia pa ekos on the 16th of this month aya Sompa FM Sompa TV yene aya Pepsodent Ghana Monsieur Unilever Ghana Limited cover by Pepsodent Ghana Unilever for aka abom enti o mafa ho kanyina doctors akuku damu free kolebu ene Comfort Teaching Hospital doctors ndi omu ye tieme omu ya nso omu hwese Ghana ha ye mu bebre ye mpe ye sehwe kura obu on ma free ya word on visited dentist da ana odesa no mra ne me de mesen ye na sei masa ade bebo wato ho no na bon se yade ya na yade bia nu ya sense yade enti misraw hweye na asene tokura medom so kura betom ade bra doctors akuku dam ba be diagnose u na afi o ma free se ne mta aka ne free ne ahwe o sinim ne ache o se we de mienye se ba ho ana se we de koye sei ye be boa ma o senetimi aye strong o se na ye calendar ye be che okwan nyema bi okra wo no na ba asen ye calendar no ye be che oni nyina ese ho asem de on the 16th ye free ya no Sompa FM premises ya ehwa overseas ane wo ye ne Alpha Radio ne ben so Sompa FM ye ni mu akakaka doctors kuku dam eba na atifie ye dey ye no all day ne bom wa mantem nipa bebeba no enya asem kito because doctors ne eba no omu ho na papa Kingdom Herbal Center omne kofa by Kingdom Garlic Capsules and ni bitters Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules Tremendous Capsules Tremendous no eye mama pa eboa man pa ade ni nyina afri ho sa eso na infections ahodo wakusu yakuma no ahimfie ho no infections ahodo no ebeboa no pa sa so na se ahimfie ho nye nka ho a ebeboa no ama on say you why your best ma Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no ye mama na be ma wo no na say wanya mental stress why na say insisi so usisi ana ye oya empamu so de bobo ope energy na ko adwuma otima pagya nyoma ye adwuma ten afi oti officer wo tra wo mreda mesrewa eye Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules emema no mo obu onu ma ebema odum no ohesi onanse onam wa ye week nti ohesi utana ne ho tete no dabi onya Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules betima se the whole day ahoden ma papa and you do justice to yourself and the Kingdom Garlic Capsules and in bitters and so eboa and the yama obia omi immune booster a boosting system na manyo koye pa eti aropa wa abomode a na kope Kingdom Garlic Capsules obia no bieyeye a release stress anxiety arthritis ohonam tutu ohonam yo tititi hypertension stroke akumayade cholesterol na adowa eboa pa enti kona kope Kingdom ana no challenger for 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 na kope Kingdom ni bi na bobo anopay ura pharmacy shop ene herbal shop bia ubenya bi ato apesiatica expert no anu anie 21st clinic clinic mua ehwe yade bia na mom sciatica na usisi achi etwewa beka onanchi amesre wanya yade efre de sciatica na say 21st year clinic nti ejaza oba ye no ye nton bi wa bonte oba clinic wa de ema obi oba ni a diagnose doctor say onim de ba ni a diagnose ni ahwese de ohun sitie na ye wo lab ho no so ye lab test e be mo aye no ho scan e o ye twa wo fum hwe de ekoso a ni nyina ye bi ho se ba se massage wa mfidie de ho sanse ne physiotherapist o ma ben pa ye o mo so boa ama ya de akọ ye wo more than 15 branches kuma se ye wo hwa overseas junction Sompa TV Sompa FM na wo so no mo ye fom Alpha Radio ne no mbon so pepe filling station hoduma obo ase o cancel quarters Court Junction Enkran Bra Tantra Hill Sunyane Mombra Sunyane Teaching Hospital Kani Sunyane Regional Hospital Enkransa ye bo ho ye adwuma Techima ye wo GN Bank 311311 0540311311 oba na ya ofrepe ye be cho ba bia ben wo na onso wako anopay e Roman father de drone Father Martin's aba mixture omna kofa ba e Roman father de drone Roman father drone na yedim ni free tete da so na so ye divine ti se nyamensa wom edura ye ma yade bia e boa pa eboa anopay bomode a na kopa Roman father drone ohun yo titi stroke na chew ohunam na yo ya wa ye weak onti ase pressure and diabetes chronic diseases bia anopay boa bra na beju Roman father drone 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 0552 668517 na no pay any wakagina mu Roman father na drone na e divine ankasa ana pay RSYD Novigi studio ebutu nkran e ka cho se be bia be frɛ no Ghana ha bia obeba na frɛ wɔn wɔ 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030397 4822 030 397 4822 na deɛ ɔmo yɛ nie sɛ ebi akɔ akɔtwa movie bi ɔtwa film a ɔmo ana ɛboa ama nneɛma asisi so paa ɔmo state of the art equipment a no kwasɛm ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ ɛno ɛyɛ equipment a yɛtumi de twa mfonyin twa video mo de crystal clear pixels no ɛne yɛ fɛ yie paa obetuma o camera nanso na ni professional so be handle ɛnyɛ RSYD no video studio anopa bray sɛ o yɛ sorry o yɛ koko o yɛ podcasting o yɛ live streaming o frɛ ya ni obedi nkɔmɔ ne aba ne aba be ya ma kama anopa tago herbal mixture and the capsules tago fonie sɛ anopa me ka kyɛw no tago na enyu yade nyina be ma wa yɛ mrɛ oba wo ni atenka be ma ni atenka infections ahodo nyina 8 was here 0243228296 0243228296 anopa bread na tago for ento enhwɛw pa ma yankwai abedwafo abada anopa yemfa enkomo no nso so enhyehyɛ so hyɛden so sɛ obedjoin us on Facebook Sompa 93.1 o share o like o share no comment na enema nyina ejina ya bekenkan e dia mawo sanse na all the deliver or comment section na ebeje akenkan pa e dia mawo WhatsApp line nso ya active or the fa wa ya bekan dia mawo Justice Prempe and pay ejina mama the National Democratic Congress NDC sa enso na Kennedy Minta enso ejiram enso ediama the New Patriotic Party MPP anope omne abedwafo a yene omu eba bedin komo na omai enso akoye yedika di komo meba be read mo messages ni nyina kama ediama mo me no shaking e be read ni nyina ediama kama na kana rope ra ma chen
yeah nia
na umpomo ete saying
adepachi na aja yeguso so manya NDC amamu fon tantan ahwenyima nka ye hoye but all the same no empani da bia me company say achia emu esi abebro nyina nti we are hoping for the best ohwe ensem omo kan proud to elections atro na da omo ka kire Ghana for atwa track sie for bi so to even the stand say a flag bearer at that time Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Erade Adma 2028 Ghana for the amemu be hye nsa no kansen bebre to no so and the one na we gina simpi so twa ntro to Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so no wo mo ko assurance committee ni ebuso om sansem na om so ebusirimuka om ko platform bi aso ni ebusa oma was na da atro ni twato so nti we say the god of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia kasa de amano nti I hope say with time no Ghanaians will see the real nature of NDC there be ameka say yi atro free politics ma menye sure say NDC ebinya ba bi agina nti no we are hoping for the best and then see what comes.
That is adope match.
Idi kama sumpeti fo abaso na memo wankasa nso abaso na yawa asante mantemi nso de entimi nkasa wa bra ye nchia the workaholic regional chairman Augustus na Akwasi Andrews anopa bebi a chairman o bia mechia o hwe ahobrase ene ahofama chairman na Akwasi de NDC anim e Ashanti region na enye menwanwa say the whole Ghana we greater Accra region free wa Ashanti region enye ye stronghold no eno na e provide over 697,000 votes in the Ashanti region edema NDC when you know the dance say chairman ayade enti yamona baso ne yamona baso bi na kakra mu no kre mini na be the dance say NDC ene Ghana for the 2024 na as we speak now boshe dodo no a ye de to Ghana fo anim no menu nyina be dia dance se dodo na ya hyemu kena ye dodo na afio nti ye ba bam no ye she Ghana fo bo se nyame ya dom na Ghana fo to abama ya COVID-19 levy ya dia ye be ye afio indeed me no ka se ye afio ye ka se ba bam a electronic levy ya dia ye be ye afio indeed ye ba bam ye afio ye ka se ba bam ade ba ko eku businesses interest rates nti ye bond to 2024 na interest rate and na over 30% nti ye na me no ka se interest rate no eswate from 30% to 15%. The chene say enese Sompa TV and ase Sompa FM ekope bosia insihua under the MPP na wo ho no enne NDC aban ibae ya tisu say boom domestic debt exchange program so bi di sika akwakodan aban na president Akufo-Addo ne MPP ni Alhaji Bawumia ya so muntimi ntua no NDC aban ibae minu nyina be dia dance ese ye tua obia ni sika due to be paid minu nyina be dia dance ese NDC aban ye ba ne kasi e be stabilize the Ghanaian economy enti abra enuanom wa bam na se Ghana ni e pe $10,000 enam se na exchange rate ni na 15 to 16 cedis enti na je so fa Ghana sika 1.5 billion enne enam amemu pa ene hihye ye penti se Ghana ni no e pe $10,000 ohia approximately 1.1 billion we nyina di adanse ese NDC aban ene Ghana for edini ye yenka se ya hihye bibia ma bibia ye from nanso menu nyina be di adanse ese enkakra ene me ye de esesa ti e be cha president mama na yaka chese ye dana se
Emil Smith say morning Virgin Chairman say watching you live from Akrukeri. And then good love do down Nesta. The drivers are the problem, not the Voxy car itself. Mensan Saba, Northern Treso. If care is not taken, this government could lead us into serious difficulty. The decision being made today will shape the future of our nation. And it's important that both leaders and citizens remain vigilant. Poor governance, lack of accountability, and failure to address the real needs of the people can gradually push a country toward economic hardship, social instability, and loss of trust in leadership. Regards to lawyer Justin Frimpo Kodria, Dr. Francis Adomako Francois, and Kwajo Owusu Bempa. Teacher Constitution, Ramwa said, does the ADM and its NDC government know Ghana is struggling? When you use propaganda to win, reality hits hard. Cocoa farmers are suffering, rent is high, school fees are a burden, electricity and water tariffs are terrible, and lorry fares have increased. The politicians who brought up Galamsey and LGBTQ+ is quiet now. NEC is a total scam in regards to Dr. Baobian Anabi and Mr. Usu Bempa in shares MPP chairman. On that note, Justice Mami Rausuna Yanko on LGBTQ+.
Yeah.
They say people need a echo constitutional review say omumwine. Because the recent comment Enra shall say the community on President and then Yera Felix Ofusukwache, who is special to the President and Minister for Information.
Yeah. I'm na menawase for the opportunity na yenche tifo bi mne mo mabaso na kan trom se do mase se anope o man choose station bi anem Sompa na omo achusu menawase bi so for the opportunity na is on the issue of LGBTQ ya babo president mama abaso na yaka che wiase nyina nim the position of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the NDC. It is over just recently. Now President Mahama was supposed to receive an award in the USA. Lincoln University for na Ombabo President Mahama Abaso. Na omukohwehwe omuniememuna after thorough search and omobe realizes say President Mahama cry a great critic oyo panyi ba ko no sebe say oba ne oba beda bema ne bema beda na eya dia President Mahama enye de ensoso inti ejina so ema award crown po anasa abudini na wo say de ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no he tracing saying into President Mahama and his position there ubia de enim na the akoma debate we aba bebre say whether it's been a priority or it's not being a priority. Meaning you see if you baby ni aba bedru ha if you baby ni aba bedru ha and on the issue of LGBTQ no yes stating categorically clear say in 2024 the bill was ready. Bill ni who bibia wie ma parliament bobo hu ye bibia wie na was senke de come the then sitting president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo nanka president Akufo-Addo the signature to so nanka free bill ni ne be de eba be yemra ehona asante bedi etuo the then executive secretary to president Nana Akufo-Addo or tro krata tintin or the bre parliament he no be catch speaker of parliament say ompene anase ma parliament krampo mo busu emfa LGBTQ bill no emma president or na president enye dey ensign adeya asem ne court na minu nyina bedi adansisi kromanom na ne nuanom MPP4 epeso mo di e-levy ba abro mu di electronic levy neighbor na amanfo de asem court enso enam se na MPP4 peso mu implement nti by force omo de electronic levy ne de eba nti the issue say na asem na court enu nti na President Akufo-Addo no peso obesign no it is neither here nor there. The point is that ye bibia wie emeye de kokoma President Akufo-Addo na se be ya President Akufo-Addo be hwe so no wasign no eno na President Akufo-Addo ansan a de ahoche de eba anase no na de aba be dru ba bi a de ye dru na ye stating on record say se oba Ghana ya mamra anase o hwe the 1992 constitution na ye de ama ye de bo oman ho bra no a o hwe the 1992 constitution ya ye de bo oman ne ho bra no a ni dwumadie baako a edi anase ade baako a wo se eye ne se no helping the show ade baako a wo se 1992 constitution no ade baako a wo se constitution no eye ene se wo se constitution ne hwe na de ebo sa nema we ho bra na se ye hye bill na se bill no parliament na ye hye bill no ewo ho no se bill ni gu a sa parliament ni gu a sa bill no enya adwuma biem it as we speak today see there is no bill even before the president bill bia mponi ho no mo a ye wi a ye de akokoma president a president nya de ensign it the mintimi nuano MPP fo asene say sa bra ye hye bill ni nyina wi a ye de kokoma president Akufo-Addo no sa bra no a president e man executive director actual letter the bread parliament sa beno na nanke we say nuano MPP for sorry catch president Akufo-Addo say ade no ompene so dia on sign na mo antimi anka hwe ma ye hwe han ama sisi parliament na gu se parliament ni gu so asa amra no aga na boka ye say ye time parliamentarians kotena o hye ni nyina agu inti say e was say a sand bill na parliament for near starting the whole process afresh. And I mean, you know, the bill so to parliament, Obia betimi sorry, I raise objection. And it's on record that as of March 2025, it was Honorable Afenyo Markins that requested a pre-laying of the bill. Here Afenyo Markins, the San Kache Parliament, say, Yan Fabio Nesanto, no mumobo who beam. Anti-senke delay been pokraba, we can put the blame on Ira Afenyo Markins, but we in the NDC will not do a blame game. The air can say a Juma we a parliament a Juma, a new president or he best says parliamentarians no more modern, no more bill in tem, no more family His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Now John Mahama dear said the wakasa on our assemblies of God penini, watch him can or say parliament a yen a Juma we are on yen and hokatasumu muaso on troll through his executive secretary and konko kanche parliament say parliament nyede entwin so ono de se de mrano anase de bill ne beto nanimu a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say obe sign
we parliament so eno anso say gina aban na so because many say in charge of government business is the majority leader
good
and if it's a priority definitely one dey ebe call parliament as business of the day and it's a priority a day they keep on to lay before the floor of the house.
No, I'm not saying that.
No, sir.
Will be good. I'm saying, and I'm a catcher say as of of last year, 2025, it's on record that Afenyomakins requested for a pre-laying of the bill.
Yeah.
And so the bill had already been taken to Parliament. And I hear Afenyomakins say, yen sign shishimu beam. It's make me problem. I want to say, bill la ye who you may the command, then was a president or sign. Not Afenyomakins, Sabre, no need problem be our home. Hebane send a buy for free by the or sign shishimu bill ni mubi. So you see, all this has caused the delay. Intermediate the American say Yebeko so say parliamentarians no. As a matter of fact, now Ebika say had intina yen in 10 minu nyina nim say corruption is something so huge. It's aban buy also a value for money bill. I know why we say establish the commitment authorization bill. We say me a flagship policy 24-hour economy. Hana man for come.
We can we deal with the substantive no. Ken Mami Brown no you deal with the substantive. You know we have other you to go on. That's how they build in Abia say Ken
Kwame
yes sir.
Empenika say ode wano donyra ebi ngo. Send senti Ghana nyina nim ensema Jura President John Dramani Mahama woni babies with sharp teeth ewo opposition omoka edo MPP concerning this very bill. Nenso NDC a yenim wo mu no tembia no omo pese atro no omo kagu Ghana for so but forgotten say Ghana for ewu senior NDC sitie minu kasa oka bibi na etro letter tin say men for my parliament wo kasa bu enkoda same say misrew like busemka. How can the Parliament of Ghana pass a bill Ade president are sending a signature na secretary to the president betro letter comma parliament say mamon fama and this modun say enkoda na. In any case, Richard Eleskai one Dr. Amanda Odei womo and the case ni court na NDC for anka no crunch Ghana for no mo score chief political point in tea and in him said say government or power and also would bemu na se emre bia ye behye se beba officer was sign so when ti man san ya ufri so emre ni nyina ewu forgotten said the case was in parliament and see so say Richard Eleskai journalist on Dr. Amanda Odai at the court before say omobe proceed the Ade Akye presidency. And funny enough 18 December 2025 ni ato abawie eyi don NDC atwa ntro akere Ghana for ama Ghana for age omonto na di ato aba edi ama John Dramani Mahama 70 free hokono MPP BB abawie 18 December 2024 and at the court unanimously and dismissing Richard Eleskai when Dr. Amanda Odoi case said the president can go ahead and then sign the bill. Satan ya to abawie they no wan panyi be and me no nyina nim say o mampanyi ono oye nanado ono oye constitutional lawyer papa ono ojemred want say NDC a omonye mreni no me real ho say me Assemblies of God ni am serve as a deacon for 6 years, Sunday school superintendent for 6 years, now me say secretary for the church for 6 years. But respectfully, let me speak to my general superintendent, Pastor Wingam. If this is why you ask the members of Assemblies of God to support John Dramani Mahama because for Assemblies of God member, please come again. Call President Mahama to order, if I may say, because if you tell us say gay it's not a priority of Jesus Christ, and yet in Sodom and Gomorrah there are contents in the Bible as sabi trumu a man even our law France the Criminal Act 1960 section 19 France on carnal sex Nina is a near maybe yesu so no ne okojo besi ani enyo kojo besi no na how kojo besi abetima ba abonte be ka say be pese ene okota krade o manyom office nice one si ho and never in the history of Ghana say LGBTQ
office.
Oh, I can give you. I can show you the picture. I can send it to you.
Official office.
Oh,
because the laws France on that.
Law France on that and only they are supporting them. And the Solomon no one down for. Me was a question. My first group the time when the told Skakesi. And the Solomon day. Is he not a gay activist? Why book not toy? Why the show my first group the time? Is it not John Dramani Mahama? Let's not go there. Yen can say muchantro at some ben or man can opposition. Purpose of time. It can make transcribe say obia small kai John Dramani Mahama. Also, we are not going to entertain it. And immediately I regain you vote for me as president, I'll make sure I sign the law into bill. Sam George, MPP is benefiting from gay committee. That's why they don't want to sign the bill. I know him on TV3 on your TV. Okay, was it if Mahama becomes president and he does not sign no bill? Mahama will know no peace. And then you are telling us gay is not priority. The good people of Ghana. And who say in this city, the good people of Ghana who say Atronia Nadan Kene Gina Simple Obi Akra Daniel Yese Minya Basenteli Etna GH1 Lambasti MPP to the extent say a big crack as a sebi a MPP form penifone be cry a practice this LGBT and no more person besan lene ultimate the 9 billion koton kwansusa and the 5 billion total trade in 3 months don't never bow a chrononia ya mobile. I didn't say no manka. It mean all this. I will just call me the American. May ye Christian. The American che ye nyanmas of for na papa no of for say yes remo. Yes remo. Mon sorry. Senya mon sorry jina na do dan kwakufu do konso etwa na da paka na nim to the extent say mom many look so ye bonsam. This is not the time. Mahama catch ye say ye to abani the manner. Obe make sure say yes. And what's what as my whole MP ka. Whole MP. Was it yan sign bill na any or just of parliament NDC parliamentarians in Yabelusu? Una the current whole MP cancer because they want power on the basis of this LGBTQ plus because I tantan the Ghana uka cry bon yan pese better on wasem cry. NSC, you are saying say afenyo marking say whoever say Mahama Yarega told me when pass now music when you talk and then some the crowd also when this bill was about to be laid, let's call spade a spade, not the truth. Mahama Yarega prevented this the same day they wanted to form a committee and call it a gold amato the chrono about mine. You people prevented it and also some prevented the end yanko blame me yanko chishim then yes was sort of and me looking at the bill no. And in any case, you pass here. We know the process that they pass here. The committee will be set up. Now, if you are here committee, no, now you are presenting. And NDC for and then watch now. When you say Gail, no bill, no one sign, no sign, no chance. You almost said that I'll throw no much. I almost said Tribune said Lincoln University, actually share near Memunum, and Omuka say Mahama is against gay. It's a lie. He was denied the honor doctorate because of lawyer Tokunu. We have the papers and facts there, and you gay some. Let's put that on record.
Good morning, Sir K. The Speaker of Parliament told us that the bill never got to the president. Will never get to the president. So what is the guy talking about? By the way, NPP is now in government. NPP is no more in government. They should come again. Let us apply critical thinking. We're free critical thinkers. Anna Ade Akye Abia. Now, Yanko Voxy. Case okay.
Yanko Atwemangwa be just south. Na mencha honorable wisdom Osebama. Papa ne say oti wanope obo adwuma den pa. But you see on records me no ya kan sem bi eti my inchim na inchim ye. Or say indeed there was no letter. And I say executive secretary need to me be as a obitime actual letter at the Abre Parliament. Listen to the Speaker of Parliament speaking. This is a story that was published by Ghana Web. Ghana Web for publishing story with Thursday, 21st March 2024. Nana Bedi Etuo's letter is contemptuous to Parliament. This is the Speaker. Now you read it to Abia or say, according to him, the letter urging the clerk to refrain from transmitting the recently passed anti-LGBTQ bill to President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for assent is a blatant disregard for legislative processes and constitutional mandates. Tiwada Romani when the stated on record. Sa Parliament here na dwuma nyina awie no. E na President Akufo-Addo secretary actual letter tin or the command Parliament. E catch Parliament say they should refrain omuntwi omu free humposa omu be transmit and also omu de krata ni be free Parliament he dey aba President Akufo-Addo office. The letter this is on record
to party majority.
This was to Parliament. Okay. This was a letter to Parliament. It will be now because executive secretary be and trust our letter now we chantro
for the letter. Yes, he did wrote.
Good. Until we now kasa now we chantro and on record me pacho osi bibi water crade office bi water me pacho tambeni is our office no
that officer I know now.
See, so be better now be chance and throw away. So
me that say.
You see, okay. So Minya Pekasa say. So what the statement I make, I stated categorically clear. Say the legislature, the House of Parliament supersedes everything, and he said if it does not prevent Parliament. And again, his own president Okoti, I'm going to Ghana Web. No, I'm not even using Ghana Web. Their paid station, Joy FM, 18th. No. We nobody. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, Joy FM. Joy FM stated President Mahama was so called the bill was not even went to the presidency. So what are you telling us? Namu two photographer for say yeah the koto nanado table so and was say you people are fond of telling lies. And Ghana ni be send this for outro and some some George kind and some no kuja to black kind and some na flex of so kwashi.
Thank you. But now National Road Safety Authority said Vox in your car I will say allow for commercial purpose. Mamenje Majincho. No, Pacho.
Voxy, ideally, you ask yourself, say, Voxy, I have been the head of department Metro Mart since I know when it comes to transportation for 4 years, meaning senior works. You see, problem no any the owners of the Voxy cars, the owners. And I say, yen a passenger for ayeko accident no car kesinya accident car kitwenya accident even bicycle motor pragya all type of moving machines involves in accident but in Penika say driver need the wako no ide wabidru so what say Vox no they say road safety for a council say in use for commercial what is the alternative ban it totally and I say you're using it private now using a private accident means yana all balance se car na uji 2 muji ni sikata sakese muka some of the 4% yen no to kumbaba mobile ma increase lances ni insurance ni bibia akosoro no amupom sika na de no be drivers ni mom na was making sure say speed limit mama use my company for example where I worked before NDC buy ya almost in free office so cars use nyina no you lock speed no enti ekone dru 8 there is nothing you can do about it. And if say a person these accidents na esobra we should implement that yen lock no speedometer ni kodru limit bia obaye ni day enko cars bi waso stadium na utafa bia buses na VIP ba so kodru ba bia bo say ababy bom pen it tells you speedometer na lock it can't go beyond that limit. Because of the my transport sector, I know how it works now. And the drivers needs to be cautioned. Baby, any question call no, men call speed. Baby also call below 15. Am I interested? You say drivers no say do more call test me krana. A bit draw ordinary them are all channel road signs. Some of them if he doesn't know these road signs. To baby a cat or ya cycle around the dear chum scene. Ubusan said there was a choba. Such person you give the person is on infantry on transport amount for ma. It's going to be dangerous. So me and senior a minimum say then say oh bo be anwa we should be careful. I would rather insist say that we should rather have a training yen drivers nen kasa ni enchrom and wo kwa akra first one we all know say 6 hours 5 hours and yen kasa nyan to wase contemporary driver ni dey work no asan bedru but to say yen cancel no crash yen for new commercial purposes na there respectfully anodin because a livelihood and this government so by any 133 won create hwe emfanka 133 wa create and say we free tafo ebesa kwa hwa wo kroma be fa bi say airport run about any year one now for airport run about to tafo and you two na tafo to baby awko that is the 133 wa create amount for the buye but ye ne drivers ne nkasa ne nka nchiro
say intercity kra no mfanya homunye intracity
intra no kra no say for example no o ka kire ne say any speed limit one they should lock the speed limit also fresh speed almost drew ta 4 club 600 one no could do you na baby you na say no city aso intra ne de but yes to memufo ne kan be first o car ne enye man tep o de car kesi abesu so omomfo no I quite remember my experience where I worked what the bus abesu I know your comfort to be abeko no me pe car ke to antem me pe car ke to antem na ewura driver ni so through both say speed ye kwaba these are some of the things but I'll still maintain per me knowledge one we should lock the speedometer eduru 80 we should lock it oh yeah the utia so enko de be ya na now if you any drivers no enya to wase nkas and anyway so drivers no is the pressure on them sometimes e be a work and pay no or pentem ebia the Vox here is around 270,000 150,000 based on the sitting capacity it is 270,000 some banks no okwaji 100% work and pay no yes 100% it's a any bidding common because we are in the transport sector it time their pressure is on them so one or better no when you be able fiang nti won so abrek kra no e dey over na speed no omonte so why so doing some call yeah man driving na me call Insuta, that is what they use. Hardly do you say Insuta drivers, Vox any accident. But Accra to Kumasi Dieno, and a problem. But yes, still, a bit the call Tamaleba, a bit the call Accra. So what is preventing?
Bono region, Bono East,
oh yes, Fia Pre, a east side Hokon. But how do you hear say sarcasm me from Techiman any accident? No. Because rules and regulations here Juma may I still insist you call workshop you catch room you making sure say one my driver need to speed next speedometer no more locking with 2%.
That is Voxy.
Minya na mincho na menna na memo abaso bi na as I was saying me say honorable osuti o honorable wisdom osebo amana unim di ntia ma mecha ne sa no hwe ye was so many projects ya sha ase a na abanda da na shase a yetu ni di legacy projects na so twa wani kwhwa atwema ho abeja south na wo hwe ekwan a honorable wisdom osebo ama within the district assemblies common fund kakra bi no complete legacy projects na papa na ya ade timiemo na baso na on Vox no areho sempa o se wona kwan no ho na hu se de cars ni bi si de da from pa it's so unfortunate very unfortunate na minim say ye nyina ye be hu say ade na be great concern abe ye nyina ye concern ntinye say National Road Safety Authority that's already that krope and also Vox no onye de o mane mabim indeed cars ne chassis say pempem no na Ghana for yanka say ye complain and na emu bi di asem ne kodan National Road Safety Authority and no so te 11 to 14 member technical committee asa technical committee ne akrache fo a enya aban mu nkrofo na understand say DAVL for no more na National Road Safety Authority for na KNUST penyimu pa o KNUST doctor is it ayeto ono na epenyimu ano that committee no ano ti so hwe penyifo we nyina their group of what expertise and omo analyze situation no and omo recommendation akwa National Road Safety Authority me ade a menua me pese de ye ni hwe pa say anytime bia state agencies and state institutions edi to me ebe establish a committee ne de ne report ebe ba no ya na de akoye problem enforcement. It in Cabo say technical committee they report by fa Vox hui ubo si penyi bi kura mpo na Vox no okra ne dodo na ubekum na penyi no kura ese ne hu ni power aban mu enti sa dia even though ade ni kuye no still yes yemfa ade ne nye de emra but we die ye nyina ye bedi adanse say committee ne de recommendations e come National Road Safety Authority no o magina o manai so o man hwe bunkum anhwe nifa o man ko kase opanyi bi ene bi a o kra ade ne de ebe krum a o de o manai esi form akase sa ade no ekuyen na sa ade no emoaye dia ye mbande no we free say National Road Safety Authority in that tangent it is a good direction but you see National Road Safety Authority nanka so more duties so me bana meet one of your sister stations yes as of 2024 you almost 6 million cedis which is equivalent to almost 60 billion so fanya public education a bit is seminary anoma na okay say I was here educating drivers no but besides when was the last time I was a National Road Safety Authority or more education be cry Oh, so they don't do all these things. It is a one educate a driver for no. Now momo kofa de ne bana de ne san be kunkumi and na chese akoye bibia o. Sisi go fo bebre ne do musika kra bi bia na airport afi na ebeba.
Nipa ni the importation depends on road safety. No, it depends on driving and vehicle license authority.
Okay.
Though they are stakeholders.
But say importation there has got nothing to do with DVLO.
Na me say. So it has nothing to do with national road safety as well.
No, say National Road Safety Authority then adwumadi ni say obe make sure say cars and nam ya kwan so e safe. DVL adwuma ni say obe license. And na meet you who say say wo ne specs na bibia qualify omo under the DVL rules. But what they are doing basic kwan so no na bia because of your road nature no and I say because of your traffic regulations inti na de na anye suitable for your roads. Another argument I may buy into say almost say because air from right to left. No, there are so many cars are changing it from right to left, but in your BDR dances, who changing it from right to left and cause accident.
Many problem with that, but we know a NRS forward responsibility.
Yes.
Now also more exercise human no better for import.
No, I spoke of the importation because omo provision ya osisi omo dia bay na meka say onkrofo bi wo kra isi omo asase omo import ade na badada dipane bia wa importing in large quantity ankode be adwuma sisi afi na regulation abase ade no de bakra ultimi fanya adwuma bi mo eti na meka say some of these things no ya ma yani nkon na enye proactive say de be ya emma amanfo for omo sika nkonkobo.
Thank you Bendasi. That is the finance munisi. Yeah, a quick one on Ken, but maybe I don't support. I'm okay, Ken.
Oforiata issue, no. Me can we video, so me no share for this first time. I said it, and I still maintain my point. Say a much ado about nothing, and when you try people, the court of public opinion, these are the results, and that's winning in some here. Minya Ken Oforiata NDC form ye who say we are there wabokro no ntie charge oni enipa 7B with 78 counts. Yes we dwane wakoha ye de ne ba sembebre, and I said say ye ko extradite no crime meeting am say NDC, you people think say you are still in opposition. Extradition treaty between US and Ghana and Gramafa bill na kai. What does it state? And in any way, before you can extradite somebody, no, the first thing a nipa no edebon ho by on tina ho nipa so be say or protecting no protecting them will be using say with political connotation and also political background nana. And then you ye instead say you no ayi ne nkrofo benya to boase ahwe aye niema no, rather there is to resort in propaganda and now but 271 why cathedral so KPMG report by catch say every finance be a and under National Cathedral Biano was duly paid. It was audited by KPMG. She said, I told you, say Ken Oforiata. Some people say yes, now. We MPP tried some Tamaklo, said Nam Tamaklo in absentia. If you be trying absentia, you can say you can try the person abroad when Ghana. Go ahead and do it. But rather you people resource say me media and na Ken Oforiata Bokrono and the person in the back and we and Womra and you see what has happened? Then suddenly, as time goes on, the God of these people like this, if we've been chastised or go many masses on Bekasa Momo. Try him in absentia.
Good. Very quick one. I can some little bit of correction on the issue of trying somebody in absentia. You cannot try somebody in absentia whilst you have not first arrested the person. You understand? On the issue of Sednam Tamakulu, now Sednam Tamakulu ejina courts. A court edi na asem ene wo sere kwan se o kwa bruchi aye de akohwe ne ho yare o koye no ena wa mabim entina Sednam Tamakulu was facing court trial, but as we speak today Ken Oforiata cry in charge in charge, and so you can't try such a person in absentia. But you see, who is Ken Oforiata? Ken Oforiata is the longest serving finance minister under the history of Ghana. Only openyi pa Ghana for ye di esikasem a shene sa che. ena wudi ye sika sem ho dwanie bibi awie no mfienso a wowie no woka che Ghana for say ohododon enti wo kwa abruchie no akɔhwe ho yare ena Ghana for ye nyina yetea ene ye bompa ye de ta wachi se kene nyame hu mobo na ho nye de entɔ yebehu ani se ye papa no nyare na afei die ice for akɔ yire no se ice for ne kɔche no bi oyare otimi koda sell
but say nyina se papa no went through a surgery ejina it is no
okay but na ontimi magana me yi seminar no lemum obetimi okay but obetimi ada ice for detention or obetimi ada prison na wo America no but ontimi magana me yi seminar no ti de enfe no to Ghana for ehu enti okache so yare okotena ho nyina wie no sisi de asinyame adom yamani bail na bail no ide ama no 27th of April obesa akogina court na obi a oso yare a wontimi magana medi wasem na obi man so yetimi yire yesi baabi de hye edane baabi akwa obi a wo ye de hye wo man so ene de wadani o man frani e wo baabi ye be second ofori akase yesi no Ghana for ye pe no ye bune pa yesi no ye do no
adwuma data bank create employment
bebre say nim guase no awama America for the ne fam no yesi no omra no meyi ne nsema no na Ghana finance
yankwa homane so Barbara 0548931931 hello good morning open you dini baby afrefree
odaro masako dini mi do jankuba
saki entio
amintia asantu Michael ka odano kokwa pia na chama uzuba mponje na ndisi ningo amakranke ni sikaji anate muni maria wa waita mekuru no ho de tikiri dia chele to ye say ye di kan wi antamba ya de to so tikiri dia wasu si sika court kura kind of felata court bi ani Ghana ya dena ko jino wo so idia wa fu bi sika one day timi kansu so de ko sika dia ko America aje sika na wo bi so ko bi en kwansu sa Sabas ntali o kata kutua police for king na aniade na unko bia nkwanzu za nso kura pa na no social na bia nkwanzu za yetre bia mente biren fati kawe no say sefemi o bi nim say o so toilet no ko o se no office won so ayi gwa ti wo nkwa wato 50 biren na da hem di for Ghana for da the Ghana for the kan go say but the airport every kutama na so mama ene na pam for adai again na manda na modi okuzi ene
me say thank you sir. Hello good morning
Sompa
Ogolo Sompa
ya mavencha fefu na member of aso DCO ha honorable Adani George ne mameka baby Saturday ya ne eyi Johnny regional minister ye register for akopoima inya ya ho yakọ nya me nkominsem no so no ye wakin ofurata Kenya Mikase Teke MPP are buying the check on your wiswa. The papa was a tema of us or Jen also Yari. I got the whole of Wijan and Kawapa. Which is finance. No more yen popo and again for say. So what concern who Yari we are, the best you working for us out your bra. Who may move? Yeah, look, welcome to no my dear bono. Maybe you one. You will kill for us also. So, my head, you catch an empty for some person money material.
May I say, Ogoro, hello, good morning. Me and John are paying.
Many are medase. If it is so for what you baby abosu. And I'll pay me some party, you know, na me see some passes so I will see. Only I'm a credit so or work you my
It has.
Minya here. Minya and this year, no say. Need to name trial be our essential. If I do, and no one doesn't attorney general. And they a friend say, because it's all my country, or the process. A job is over to say, or more lawyers room go on my bone, and the million is in the neck. What do you didn't try what bra? The pandemic yet, they are arrested. And so, can you get notice? Yeah, the process. It can be a banner say,
kenofurata wo se here media is for dia to be brave ayenya insentrofo mu so mo support no ene no kwa ni nyina ye de daddy no kwa no daddy aye friends LGBT kasemo and this for mo mani mase when you so much when you wo and some of kai opposition say jo mo some of kai my friend say some dodge I fear mu go so friend say some also for we say believe parents we fear mu go so say or shani dey so betimi aka ne kese and no mu nyina mo wa he o wa je friend say board member ne board the friend say chairman no mo nyina o maka mo no to make aka na say mo je kwa edie yo asin kiti bi ho no ma ubu kanesia eye adwuma de ko libo ne takrade no mo ne ayi emu susu akwase ho kai adinti na no dom kan ho asem na bo kai no ma be ka asem bo ka say won kitwa bi ho fine kitwa ne admitted say ye man kitwa no nya adwuma akase ne de e wo say mo kwan no mo timi adwuma ko lonje
that's it critical thank you very much and so MCR mommy movie and everybody say this offer talk back you know Barbara MCR mommy movie I don't pay mommy akwai oh I would say baby time no go crash it time no go and then some mama hwe manimu ha te me hwe manimu a me de intuition na ye adwuma me intuition na ye adwuma and happy birthday to my dear brother Kingsley Buache Yadom of Asante Aguna Akrofonso. May God blessing fellow. Okay, I think follow you. And Mami taking beam. Happy birthday to my dear brother Kingsley Buache Yadom of Asante Aguna Akrofonso. May God blessing follow you today and always. Keep you walking in faith. Your best days are still ahead from your brother. Catch Obi of Sompa 93.1Fm. Wife Ellen Poma of Asamai SDA Hospital and your children. They say happy birthday to you. I say happy birthday to Opoku Siao Michael of Domi PIWC. Accra, way every dad, Dickinsian ho aneba. Oh, pass your stranger, me shall be brave mound. Send ya miss all my many petitu. Oh, pado dodo. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Mr. Donko, vehicle examiner of the DVLA Dunkwa of Fing, way free Abake of Sompa FM. Abake say happy birthday to you. Or say Yamisha at the mount. Happy birthday to Opoku Ayeyi Diligence of Nazareth Montessori School, Tafo Okes Junction. Way free Auntie Rosa and your father. O auntie, ene o papa say omo dododo. Nyame ema meye penyin kese pa. O papa ne Elder Prince Opoku Asare o USA. Or we show long life and prosperity. Happy 5 years. I say happy birthday to Sandra. Oya receptionist. Our Asifua Radio 92.7. Our first Sandra. Our Asifua Radio Tafo. We free sell wisdom from some passports to Asifua front desk. Happy birthday to you, Obapa. Nyame enfomfra dumu kwa dumu. Nyame ma promotion. I've say, now say, what your promotion ba? I'm 93.1. Happy birthday to them so free. A year no be university, too free training college of be university. Happy birthday to Dr. Samuel Kofo, Gadindim Gadem, CEO of Crystal Palace Hotel, Kwame Danso. I say, happy special birthday to you. Dr. Samuel Kofo Gadindim Gadem, I guess CEO our Crystal Palace Hotel Kwame Danso Ejakunso wa no free. And you say, yeah, my happy birthday to you. Enjoy this special day. They are coming, because me no she na me dey. Na me show bibia no ntin anim channel. Ya me boa sports for